Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning video because, as requested by a viewer, I was asked to please post more cleaning motivation. So thank you to Dre Brock 5737 for requesting this video, as I am going to provide it. So in today's video, I'm not going to do any talking. I have some things that I need to get cleaned up around the house, and I am going to get to it. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for today's cleaning video. Since we're halfway there, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, I hope that this video here will motivate you to subscribe to my channel. And I hope that it motivates you to comment down below what's your favorite thing to clean and what's your favorite thing not to clean. Definitely for me, it is the kitchen area because it's something that's always going on in the kitchen. But I really do enjoy cleaning the living room because that's where I am at majority of my time when I am off from work.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
If you've made it this far in the video, you'll know that I'm getting ready to come to the end of this video. I've done all the cleaning that I can do. And once again, thank you to the viewer who asked for a cleaning video. Really appreciate the gesture to get some cleaning motivation put onto my channel, as I have not had cleaning motivation put on my channel since New Year's. And so with that being said, I hope that after watching this video, you consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of things here on my channel, such as cooking and baking, reviews and unboxing, lifestyle vlogs, whether it's weekend vlogs, day in my life, or mom vlog things. I also do travel vlogs and I do much more. Here on this channel, you will see a variety of a little bit of everything, and that is the reason why this channel is called Just Being C'Aira. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel.